Urbanista's Brisbane Bluetooth speaker is their top tier model. The design of the Brisbane speaker is simple and blends into the home with fabric covering most of the speaker and touches of rubberized plastic here and there. The speaker comes in two colours, midnight black and fluffy cloud, and the fabric and materials of the speaker are nice to touch and feel of good quality. On the top of the speaker, you'll find the buttons for interacting with it. There are buttons for turning on the speaker, Bluetooth pairing, as well as volume buttons that double up as play and skip buttons. There's also a subtle LED indicator light to tell you the status of the speaker, but I would have liked to have seen separate volume buttons and track buttons as the speaker is quite large, but that is me nitpicking. Aside from that, most of the speaker's design is taken up by it being a speaker. On the sides are the woofers for delivering bass and lower end frequencies, which are concealed by a nice looking silver Urbanista branded metal. On the back of the speaker, you'll find the I/O housed underneath a rubber cover, as the speaker is IPX5 water resistant. There's a micro USB port for charging and an aux input if you want to listen without using Bluetooth. The speaker sounds good and provides a loud, punchy listening experience thanks to the woofers on each side of the speaker that make it great for parties or for listening to music around the house. The speaker has a good balance between the higher treble frequencies and the lower bass frequencies. Neither overwhelms the other and they work in conjunction with each other very nicely. I really like the bass on this speaker. It is smooth and deep and really helps the listening experience without drowning out everything else. I do wish that the mid frequencies were a little more pronounced as they are a little lacking, and this would offer more clarity to the sound, but generally the speaker sounds nice to listen to. The speaker also plays back audio in stereo instead of mono, which helps create a more immersive listening experience. If you really want to fill a room, you can add a second Brisbane speaker for true stereo separation and pair them together wirelessly. The microphone on the speaker was able to pick up my voice clearly and with a good amount of volume. If you find yourself needing to take a phone call with the speaker, this would get the job done. Here's a microphone sample that I have recorded. This is a sample of the microphone on the Urbanista Brisbane speaker. The speaker features Bluetooth 5.0, which features improved connectivity and improved range. The speaker, as I previously mentioned, also supports stereo pairing, so you can connect two Brisbane speakers together for room filling sound. The speaker is also IPX5 rated for water resistance, so you can be worry-free about having it in your bag wherever you go, and it will be safe to use around the pool. If you don't fancy using Bluetooth, you are also able to go wired by using the aux inputs located on the back of the speaker. The Brisbane speaker supports up to 10 hours of listening time thanks to its 5000 mAh battery, so you'll be able to get a daytime of listening out of the speaker. When it comes to charging, you'll need to use the speaker's micro USB ports to charge it up. I would have liked to have seen this be a USB Type-C port for a speaker in this price bracket. Hopefully future versions will move to the upgraded port. Charging will take around 2 to 3 hours. So if you're looking for a speaker that feels premium, looks the part and sounds good, the Urbanista Brisbane is a good choice. Water resistance is handy to have so you can listen anywhere, and being able to pair two speakers together is a great way to enhance the listening experience. So that's been it for this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing. I will leave a link in the description if you're interested in purchasing the speaker. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.